Let's see if she'll do it again. But she's now just popping up right from where she's at without the help of something else. Can you stand up? Yeah? Can you stand up? Said, Mom, you had your chance to take the video. You snooze, you lose. Good girl. Are you putting him away? Oopsies, you missed. Look at you. Just like that. Just like that. Now can you take a step? Good girl. That takes a lot of balance to do that. Yeah. Good girl. Good girl. Are you putting him away? That one was kind of tricky, wasn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Oh, goodness. Yeah? How about you take a step? Can you take a step?
No.
Say, let's not talk crazy talk, Mom. There's your truck. There's your truck. Good girl. Can you push around your little thing? Oh boy, what did you find in the carpet? We need to vacuum, don't we? Thank you, sweetheart.